Welcome! This video will show you the recent changes in the U.S. Employees Withholding Certificate, or W-4, as well as how to access your 2020 W-4 form. At the end of this video, you will find instructions on how to go paperless through the ADP self-service portal and contact information if you need help. Let's get started. When calculating your pay, your employer uses information in the W-4 to withhold the correct federal income tax, as determined by the U.S. Internal Revenue Service, or IRS. In 2020, the IRS issued a new federal W-4 form. The data that you enter into the 2020 W-4 will allow your employer to calculate your tax withholding more accurately. We encourage you to fill out a new W-4 form and submit it to your employer, even if you submitted a W-4 for that same employer in the past. In order to submit a W-4 form, you must complete Step 1 with your personal information and Step 5, which is your signature. If you submit a form with only these two steps completed, this means that you are choosing the maximum withholding amount. In the new W-4, you can add additional personal information, including your family status, whether you work multiple jobs, if you have any dependent family members, or any other tax adjustments. Or you can claim as tax exempt from income tax. Your personal circumstances have an impact on how much income tax you pay and on any tax refund from the IRS. Keeping your W-4 up to date is essential as it allows your employer to calculate your tax withholding correctly. Therefore, you should submit an updated version anytime your personal circumstances change. There are two ways to access the W-4 form. When you join Amazon, the new hire letter you receive from HR directs you to a My Docs folder to fill out your W-4 online. If you take no action at this step, you will be choosing the highest tax withholding rates. To update your W-4, open the ADP self-service portal, and from the Pay and Taxes drop-down, select Tax Withholding. You can access the ADP portal directly or through A to Z in the Pay tab. See the links on the screen. After submitting your W-4, verify whether your state requires an additional withholding certificate. If this is the case, we encourage you to follow your state guidelines. On the screen, you can find instructions on how to check your current tax withholding status, as well as how to opt into paperless tax statements through the ADP self-service portal. Finally, if you need additional help, contact us through the information on the screen.